Hello everyone. Today I am going to create a hotel reservation system using my SQL workbench. I have already created a database and also I am using the database for this work. So now I am going to create a table for rooms. It consists of room ID, room number, room type and all other details about that room. And I am setting room ID as my primary key for this table. So here I can able to see I have created my rooms. So similarly, let me create all other tables in this implementation schema. For example, guest table, reservation table. So while creating my reservation table, I am taking the reservation ID as my primary key and I am also specifying two foreign keys. One is from rooms table and another is from guest table. So foreign key room ID and I am making reference to the table rooms room ID similarly to guest. I am going to insert 5 values into each table. So insert into rooms and we should specify the attributes of that specific table and after values, and we should include all the values in this. Now let me run. So see, we have inserted 5 values to each. You can able to see that there are room IDs and we can already able to see. Now we can able to see we have inserted 5 values to the rooms table. So I have created all the tables that I have. Now I am going to perform queries in each table. So first table is booking table. Now I am going to retrieve the booking ID and room ID from booking table where the rooms are confirmed, that is confirmed equal to perform. So now I can able to see the booking ID and room ID of the booked rooms. So from the guest table I am going to get details of the guest who made more than one reservation. So now we can able to see last name is Kumar and he made 2 reservations. From the reservation table I am going to retrieve all the details, that is the reservation made between the specific 2 dates. I am using between and so it will retrieve the reservation that is made between these specific dates. So now we can able to see all the informations that the reservation made between these specific dates. Now I am going to retrieve all the payments that are more than 500 rupees. So let me run the query. So these are the payments that are more than 500 rupees. Let me change it to 1000. So we can see the payment ID with 502 is the highest of all. The payment method is credit card. So now I am going to perform some joins between 2 tables. I am taking reservation table and the guest table. From this I am going to retrieve those one who made highest total amount in the reservation. So Vijay Sharma is the one who spent 1250 rupees on the reservation. Now I am going to perform some subqueries. So I am going to retrieve all the guest details, those who made total amount of reservation more than the average of total amount of reservation. So we have 2 ID, Sunita and Vijay. They made more than the average of total amount of reservation. Now I am going to perform two joins. So this query retrieves all the customer guest details who made deluxe room type of reservation. So I'm performing two joins. So from the first join, it will join the guest and the reservation table, and from this value, it will join the rooms table. Now we can able to see Sunita who made deluxe type of room reservations. I'm going to create a trigger. So this trigger will automatically trigger when updating the first name. So this will change the first name into the uppercase. Now we will see. So I can able to see that we have created the trigger. So we can also check here. So now let me update that Suresh name to something like John. Let me update the name Suresh to John. It is updated. Let me show. See, the name is updated Suresh. So this is how trigger works. So it will implement before an action, for example insert, update, delete, like that. So let me create a procedure. In this procedure, it will get all the customer details while passing the customer ID as a parameter. So let me create it. So it is created. We can see. Now I am calling the procedure. It is showing all the customer. So using view, we can select specific columns from different tables. So it is more useful while analyzing. Like we don't need to go for entire table. We can use specific columns and data. So I am creating a view in this. Now you can see I am selecting specific tables from that view. It is much more easier. So we have created reports using that tables we have in MySQL. We have connected all the tables with powerBi reports. So we have four charts and one text box. And these charts says the first chart says the payment mode by the customer. The credit card mode says highest number of payment mode, and other is cash. And then when come to second type, payment ID by room type, that is which room type has highest number of payment, that is highest number of customers also. So standard type has highest numbers and other two are. So capacity by room type, so standard rooms has highest and the second highest is suite rooms, and then the it has a third room is deluxe, that is the third highest. So it is capacity by room number. The highest room number is 103. It has 4 capacity. And then second one is 102, and the other three are same.